got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake.
Hey guys, this is Priya. Welcome back. In the first part of Amsterdam vlog, we visited Dam Square, Rijksmuseum, Zandvoort, and some of the shopping streets in city center. You can check that blog if you like. The link is in the description box below. We spent almost half a day in Zandvoort, then we came back to Amsterdam Centrum as we had a canal cruise scheduled at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The name of the boat tour agency is Stroma. You can buy your tickets directly from their ticket counter. They close at 6 o'clock in the evening. We bought two tickets for a 1 hour 15 minutes open boat ride and they charged us 20 euros per ticket. Boat ride is a great way to see Amsterdam. Just sit back, relax, and explore the city at a steady pace without getting tired at all.
Through our phone in the night, no, I'm here by your side. So tell me where are you now when you're
Yeah, now we think it's a nice building, but back in the day, a lot of people hated the station because it cut off Amsterdam from the water. There's open water here with boats. You can see the north side of Amsterdam, and now you have to go behind the station to see that.
with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in
Canal cruise is the most elegant way to see the beautiful city of Amsterdam. The captain of the boat not only shows you all the famous sights of the city, he also explains you the history of some of the iconic buildings, famous movie locations, canal houses from the Dutch Golden Age, and so much more.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind. Though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Yeah, on the left, the Hortus Botanicus, our botanical garden. You see quite old. Starting to make medicine. A very nice collection of plants all across the world. It's now available as a hotel room. So it's now all video operated. Not the old ones, but these are still. So if you look at different accommodation, it's quite expensive. Then here on the right hand side, the synagogues, we see Joods Museum in white. You see two buildings in front, but also two in the back. So four Hochdeutsche synagogue from the 17th century. Now Amsterdam Jewish Historic Museum. And on the right hand side, the green windows, that's the Portuguese synagogue, 1676. Now there's a square between these buildings, but before there's a canal. So those communities, the German Eastern European community and the Spanish Portuguese community, separated by water.
Of your heartbeat. Symphony heartbeat. Symphony, symphony. I did you wrong, now that's an understatement. To walk alone, I guess it's my repayment. Please give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
Yeah, several of these boats also for hire for per night on booking sites. Normally there's a very nice blue one here. You can see the sewer pipe here, all the connections are there. And also the one on the left used to be available on booking sites. This is probably the oldest houseboat, 1874 I believe, found in these boats. Also for the beer brewers, they got their water from these boats. Shortly after we got tap water, it was out of use, but then later it was used as for the coal trade, coal to heat the houses. And it's probably in the same spot for about 120 years. And I recently found out they're going to make it ready to be pulled out and a new boat will come. It's actually a shame. It's quite an iconic boat. Yeah, the building on the right hand side, the Amstelhof, built as a hospital home for elderly women in 1681. Until 2007, elderly people were taken care of, and then it was converted into a very nice museum at Hermitage, Amsterdam. We have very nice collections from St. Petersburg. We also restored work for the Russians. Very nice collaboration, but because of the war, all the artwork has been sent back, and now the Amsterdam Museum is in here temporarily. And yeah, if you look at the chimneys and you look at the other side, you see it.
It's such a beautiful view from the canals, and there are so many beautiful houseboats, hotels, and restaurants to see along the way.
Oldest part of town, so at the moment also the oldest building. Most of these houses are from 1600 plus, 1598, the last big fire. So all the wooden buildings, the original buildings, are not there anymore. But the church survived from 1300 on the left, on the right hand side about 17 years younger, about 1370s. Yeah, we see some windows here with some ladies. Next to it, a little joke, especially for the French, quartier Putain. There used to be also 4 ladies behind that windows, but now in the bar, 4 windows to city corner. 12, 15 years ago.
The reason we booked a 4 o'clock boat ride is to capture the sunset, and this is the moment that we will remember for a very long time. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज़ द फेमस रेड लाइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आम्स्टरडम आके आरएलडी नहीं गए तो फिर क्या किया, राइट? सो हियर वी आर. I don't know about morning, but these red and blue windows make this area look so trippy at night. While we were coming back to Amsterdam Centrum from RLD, we came across so many restaurants. I don't really know the name of this area, but you will find all kinds of restaurants here.
Kishan. मार्केट एक्सप्लोर किया जा रहा है रात को. चल चल के हमारा होटल इधर पास नहीं है तो सोचा घूमते हैं, देखते हैं.
बहुत थक जाएंगे चलते चलते.
It's really beautiful.
We were strolling through the main street and we saw a long queue in front of a French fry shop. Later we got to know this is the famous mannequin piece French fries. Me and my husband, we both tried it and loved it. This is Basilica of St. Nicholas. It's a church right opposite to the central station. By the time we reached here, it was already closed, so we didn't get a chance to go inside. So that's how we ended our day 2 in Amsterdam. Next stop is Belgium, which is going to be my next vlog. If you have any questions regarding this vlog, please write them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.